Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Odie from the new Garfield movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Odie from the new Garfield movie, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I just want to draw a nice little circle right here for the eye. Next, inside of it, I'm going to make a smaller circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves over to start the nose. And then I want to draw an oval shape right here for the nose. And I'm going to color in most of this just like that. Now, starting here, I'll make a line that's going to go up and down for the other eye. And then I'll make another little small curve like that for the pupil. And then I'm going to go ahead and color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down for an eyebrow. And same thing here, up and then down. Then for the back of the head, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and I'm going to bring it down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come up here. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to curve up. Now let's make the ears. Starting here, let's draw a line that goes up, and then we're going to bring this down. We're going to curve this around and then bring it up, and you can see it's really fat back here and really skinny over here. For the next ear, let's draw a line that goes up. Let's curve this around, and then we're going to bring it back down for the other ear. Now let's do the mouth. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve in. Then we want to make the tongue. So start off with the tongue. Let's draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. We'll curve this around and then bring it back. Kind of similar to the ear. It's big here and then skinny right there. Then we're going to make a little line that curves here. Next, I'm going to bring a line up and then right to here. And then we'll curve a line here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down. Then I'm just going to curve this back to here. Then we'll bring a line down here. Now, starting here, let's draw a line down for the arm. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around here, and it's going to come up like this. Then we'll make a line that's just going to go down and then up here. And then we'll put a little curve here. We'll do another one here. We're just going to curve this down for the other foot. And then we're going to bring this up. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down. And then for the back leg, let's draw a line that's just going to curve out and then come back in. We're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. We're going to bring this over and back to here. And then let's just connect this line. Then let's draw another little line right here to show where the toes are. And then a little line that curves out here for the other foot. We'll draw that little line for the toes. Now for the tail, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve up. We'll make it pointy and then bring it back down. We'll do a little curved line for the spot. And then right here, let's draw a line that's going to curve around and come back. And then one more here for the little fur on his back. And there you go. There is your drawing of Odie from the new Garfield movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.